Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to install Docker Engine on Linux operating system and run first container into it. We will go through 4 steps. In first step we will add the Docker repository. Second step we install Docker Engine on Linux. In the third step we will search image hello world and pull this image to local repository. In first step we will display all running containers. For this lab you need computer or laptop more than 4 GB of RAM, VirtualBox or VMware workstation and Ubuntu operation system. First, let's install the necessary packages to allow apt to use a repository over HTTPS. Now add Docker's official GPG key. Use the following command to set up the repository. To install the latest version of Docker Engine, run the next command. In order to grant your user access to Docker, you need to add them to the Docker group. This will allow them to execute Docker commands without having to use sudo. Run the following command to activate the changes to group. Now you have permission to run Docker commands. Let's take a look at the Docker repository to find the hello world Docker image. Command docker search hello world. We have a lot of images. We will use official image. The command docker image shows existing Docker images. However, in this case there are no images available. Let's get started hello world container. At first, image will be pulled from Docker Hub. To view executed images, run the command docker ps-a. The Docker image hello world has been pulled and executed. Thank you for attention. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like,